All right, guys, we have a 2017 Toyota 86, T86 or just 86. What we're gonna do on it is a resonator delete. This is what it sounds like before with just factory. Go ahead. Got that white body kit on it too. Look at that, wow. Again. White fenders, wow. Here's sound decibels on it. 92.1. Again. All right. We'll let you guys hear it after we do our resonator delete. Yeah, guys, it's got the wide body kit on it too for drifting and everything. That thing's wide, dude. Wow. That's cool. Toyota 86. This is white fenders. Woo. That's cool. All right, guys, so it's a 2017 Toyota 86. So it's got this aftermarket kit in the back, but they changed it in the front. They took it off and they left it in the back. So yeah. Anyways, what we got done on it, got converter there, another converter in there somewhere. Then we did a dual resonator delete. As you guys can see, we put a 2.5-inch pipe in its place. Then 2 1/4 out the back into the factory muffler. And this muffler is massive on this thing, as you guys can see right there, with dual outlets. So it's a single muffler with dual outlets, as you guys can see. Look at that white body kit out the back. I'll put some fat tires on it and drift it if it was mine. Anyways, so there's the resonator delete right there. So we took half of the exhaust off. And here it is right here. There's the resonator, and there's the baby resonator. It comes with 2. And you guys can see it's a Subaru because the FRS are the same thing. So, yeah, there it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There we go. It needs more. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 98. Again. What do you guys think? Should she take the muffler off next? We don't know. Maybe. Not bad. Got a little bit more tone to it now. Again. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Yeah, drifting machine. So what we did is a double resonator delete. Left the stock muffler on it.